Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all summer diet plan for weight loss. Now in this diet plan I'll be sharing with you lots and lots of easy to make and delicious summer recipes for weight loss, with the help of which we'll be able to lose 10 kgs very quickly. We'll aim for 10 kgs in this diet plan to lose, and as well as make sure we get all the good collagen boosting properties for the skin as well. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for weight loss and they were able to see great weight loss transformations happening. And so can you. Get yourself summer ready and enjoy the season as much as you can with personalized weight loss diet plans by Dietitian Sheena. For personalized diet plans, you can mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with summer diet plan for 2022 to lose 10 kgs quickly. Let's start with early morning drink, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first one is warm lemon water with added pinch of cinnamon powder and pinch of black pepper powder. Cinnamon and black pepper work as metabolism boosting properties and as well as help you to control your appetite as well. If you cannot have this because of any reason, then you can always switch to apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Empty stomach, have it sip by sip. Best for PCOD or PCOS women, people suffering from diabetes and as well as thyroid too. Now let's proceed for our breakfast. Now for breakfast, I'll be giving you 3 options. The first one has to be my personal and all-time favorite 2-minute smoothie recipe. Now smoothies are easy to prepare and you can incorporate as many fruits as you want in a smoothie. I personally like to add banana, strawberries that are frozen. You can add mango, apple, pomegranate, whatever is available with you. Just throw it up in the blender and blend it out with some curd, or you can also skip the curd and chill water to this and blend it out and your smoothie is ready. So easy to prepare and good to go wherever you want to carry your breakfast as well. To this, to make it nutritious more, you can always add soaked chia seeds or pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, whatever is available with you, and you can easily carry your breakfast as well. Second option would be a veggie hunker sandwich. Now I've already shared the recipe of 4 sandwiches here. They're amazing for weight loss. You can choose any of it, but I personally like to add this sandwich recipe. So easy to prepare and as well as nutritious and fiber rich. I use hunkered here for probiotics and multigrain toasts, and as well as lettuce, cucumber, tomato, bell peppers, corns, whatever is available with you in salad form, you can add it to the sandwich. Grill it up and have it for your breakfast. Super amazing and super yummy to have. And make sure to have 1 cup of green tea with this sandwich. Third option for your summer breakfast would be cold coffee with added chia seeds. Now if you're a coffee or a tea person, then you can definitely opt for this option. Caffeinated enough and as well as fiber rich. Just simply blend coffee, almond milk, water and chia seeds without any sugar, and your cold coffee with chia seeds is ready. Have it along with 1 multigrain toast and you're good to go with your breakfast. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, I can give you 2 options. The first one is my personal favorite in summer seasons, that is lassi or chas. I personally like to add mint leaves for the freshness, or you can also add coriander leaves as well. Black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder for taste, and no salt to be added to any kind of lassi or chas or any drinks that I'll be giving you in this diet plan. And a delicious lassi or chas is ready. Second option for your mid-morning snack is 1 cucumber with 1 cup of green tea. Amazing for detoxification and amazing for your hydration as well. And green tea, as you all know, is higher in antioxidant level. Now let's proceed towards our lunch. So for lunch, I'll be giving you again 3 to 4 options that you can opt for in the entire season. Don't worry, I'll be coming up with more summer weight loss recipes and diet plans in part 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first option for summer lunch is Mexican salad. My clients love having this salad because first, it keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day, and second, you see a number going lower next day on the scale if you have the salad definitely. So what I'll be doing here is, in a bowl, I'm adding here boiled rajma. Now you can use black chana, white chana, whatever is your preferred choice. I'm adding here lettuce. Now this is iceberg lettuce. You can use any lettuce of your own choice. And to this, then I'll be adding cucumber. Now this is chopped cucumber. Add good amount of it. To this, I'll be then adding red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, some chopped green chilies for taste and for spiciness. That's your own choice. Fresh coriander leaves, very important for taste and definitely gives a very fresh flavor. Now to this I'm adding lots and lots of tomato. I love tomato, and I've already prepared guacamole here. Now you can always skip it if you're not fond of avocado. And now I'll be preparing a dressing for this salad, which all my clients love having it. Now what I've done here is I've added 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of fresh honey, 1 to 2 teaspoon of lemon juice, chili flakes for taste, and to this I'll be adding mustard. Mustard is optional, you can choose it or not, skip it as well. Black pepper powder for taste again. To this I'll be adding freshly squeezed Italian seasoning. You just mix it all well and pour it over the salad. Mix the salad properly and a delicious Mexican salad is ready. It is so fuller, and trust me, you'll not feel hungry for a longer time of the day if you have this salad for your lunch. Second recipe for summer lunch is curd rice with pudina chutney or achar. Now curd rice is very common and very nutritious and healthy recipe that you can have in summer season. You can have white rice in this. Add 100 grams of white rice in a good bowl of curd, mix it all well, add seasoning over this of any choice of yours, and have it along with some achar or mint chutney. Trust me, you will love having this combination, and it is so good that you can not feel hungry for the longer time of the day, and as well as super nutritious in each and every manner. But make sure to only use 100 grams of cooked white rice or brown rice of your own choice. Third option for your summer lunch is suji chila or besan chila with added lots and lots of vegetables to this. You can add broccoli, onion, tomato, zucchini as well, and prepare 2 to 3 chilas out of it and have it with coconut chutney or pudina chutney again. Fourth option for summer lunch is again my personal favorite, oats roti with any seasonal summer vegetable. Bhindi, karela, lauki, any seasonal sabzi that can be prepared at your home, and have it along with curd and salad. Make sure to only use gluten-free oats flour for oats roti. The link to buy gluten-free oats flour is in the description box below. You can check it out and buy it there and have up to 2 rotis for your lunch. Now proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, for which I can give you 3 options. The first one is, if you're a tea or coffee lover, then you can always opt for tea or coffee but without any sugar, and you can use almond milk also, you can use low fat skim milk also. Second option is green tea, matcha tea or peppermint tea. Choose any of the one taste from these options. Matcha tea, my personal favorite because it gives you a good weight loss result. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of freshly brewed green tea. So definitely opt for that. And third option will be infused lemon water. Now all you have to do is, in 1 to 2 glasses of water, add 1 whole lemon juice, and along with that you can also add lemon veggies to this. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes and have it sip by sip after that. Great detoxification properties, and as well as helps to cleanse your system as well. Proceeding towards our summer dinner options. And the first option is gonna be my personal favorite, mango chickpea salad. Now I've already shared the recipe of mango chickpea salad. Here is the recipe. All you have to do is use boiled chickpeas, that is white chana, mango chopped. You can use cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers, whatever is your own choice for the salad, and season it up with lemon juice, black pepper powder, and no salt at all for taste. You can also use roasted jeera powder, chili flakes, but always avoid table salt or raw salt in any form for your dinner or any of the meals, for weight loss and to avoid water retention or bloating of any kind. Proceeding towards second option for our weight loss dinner will be anar raita. Now I know it sounds a little bland, but trust me, if you have it once, you'll fall in love with this option for your dinner, or you can also have it for your breakfast as well. All you have to do is, in a good bowl of curd, add 1 whole peeled anar, that is pomegranate, mix it all well, and you don't need any kind of seasoning or any kind of lemon juice, nothing of this salt for this recipe. 2 ingredients, curd and anar, mix it all well, have it, and you will not feel hungry for the entire night. Make sure to use room temperature curd and not the refrigerated curd in this recipe. Third option will be papaya smoothie. Now papaya is great for your digestion, for people suffering from constipation of any kind, and definitely gives you good collagen properties as well. So blend papaya, pineapple with some curd, water, have it for your dinner, and you will not feel constipated forever. Before going to bed, we'll finish our diet plan with chamomile tea. 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea will help you relieve all the stress of the entire day and definitely give you good sleep as well, boosting your metabolism for weight loss simultaneously. In this diet plan, make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water or any kind of detox water that you can have in the summer seasons. And with the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 10 kgs quickly if followed A to Z. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with Dietitian Sheena, that is me. Do not forget to hit the like button if you like this video, share it with your friends and family, click the subscribe button to stay updated about my diet plans and my further parts of summer diet plan for weight loss, and hit the bell icon to be notified every single time. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.